Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send from Apple Pay to Google Pay. So let's get into the video. So if you have some amount in your Apple Pay, so just open up your Apple Pay wallet, and then if you have some cash in your Apple Cash wallet, so if you want to make some transaction to your Google Pay, so unfortunately there is no direct ways how you can do this, but what you can do as a workaround, you can add or you can get this achieved through your linked bank account. So what are you going to do? So open up the cash that you want to the Apple Cash that you want to send from. So here, once you've opened it up, since I have not set it up, so I don't have any balance here, but if you have set it up here, so you should see an option here on your top right. Hit on the option and click on card details, and then go to bank account. So go to bank account, and then what are you going to do? Link the bank account that's linked to that Google Pay account. So whatever Google Pay account that you want to send it to, so that Google Pay account, whatever that's bank that's linked to that account, just plug in those details of the bank account, link it, and once that's done, then again open up this cash, and then you will see an option called, again on your top right, if you click on the three dots, you will see a menu called withdraw to bank. So select your card details and then hit on withdraw to bank. In that way you'll be able to select the amount and then withdraw it to your bank account. So once you've withdraw it to your bank, so now that you have these funds in your bank, so and this bank is linked to your Google Pay, so in that way you will have the funds available to use on Google Pay. So this is the only workaround we have at this point to send from Apple Pay to Google Pay, as there is no direct ways of doing it. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.